Hi guys, I'm Atasta. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing really good. Technology has gotten so advanced, right? I'm talking to thousands of people through this small screen. I think that's magic. In this era, every grooming product has become advanced. From grandfather clocks to smartwatches, from waxing yourself to laser hair removal. Technology is everywhere, so why should toothbrushes be left behind? Am I right? So stay tuned to know what exactly are smart toothbrushes, which ones are the best in the market, and how they can improve your oral health. Most of the people with a normal toothbrush do not use it efficiently because I know manual handwork is so tiring. What if I told you there was an easier way to make your brush routine easier and reduce the manual work? So this is where smart electric toothbrushes come into play. But how will you know which one is the best? Well, when you're looking for an electric toothbrush, there are some things you should keep in mind. The battery life, the bristles, high frequency vibrations, and of course the grip. It should be very handy. Now, according to my research, the best one I found is this Mako Toothsy Electro i5 Smart Electric Brush. Mako Toothsy as a brand is known for their dental aligners. You must have heard of them. Obviously, they have changed the dental game in India. Their products are always backed by dentists, and so is this. Now, they have three color options: black, red, and blue. Black is more of my personal style, so I'm gonna keep this for myself. So it comes with a brush body plus two brush heads. Amazing. Let's take a moment to appreciate the design of this brush. It is sleek, so compact, great finish, and has an ergonomic design. Plus it has a cap that keeps it clean, and it's very easy to go for travel. Easy snap and the brush is on. This is the power button and this is where the battery goes. And here is your battery. If you see the bristles, it's not too hard or not too soft. It has dew point soft bristles, which ensures that your enamel and gums are safe while cleaning the plug. This brush comes with sonic technology that gives 22,000 vibrations. That is 5 times more than the ordinary manual toothbrush. These vibration waves help pull out plaque and bacteria from the surface of the teeth. And of course, I'm going to try it on camera for you guys. Put a small amount of toothpaste on the bristles and hold it towards your mouth like a normal toothbrush. The toothbrush body is ergonomically designed. It has sleek design which makes it easy to hold and gives you the right grip to hold and brush your teeth. Start button is placed in such a way that it's very convenient to control. Now let's begin. The bristles are soft and give the right amount of vibration, which is not at all uncomfortable. Entire brushing will take 2 minutes and comes with a 30-second timer. All you need to do is place the brush on every corner, up, down, and let the brush do its job. The brush will automatically turn off after 2 minutes. Clean the brush head with water and allow it to dry. This brush is IP6 waterproof, so I can now use it under the shower and save some time. Also, make sure that you replace your brush head every few weeks to prevent the buildup of germs. Isn't this brush so cool and a pure teeth marvel? Mako Toothsy Electro i5 brush has made brushing so much easier and less physically intensive for us. This brush is so easy to use even for children and elderly. I even got 2 more for each of my parents. The product cost is around $14.99, but I got it in only 750 rupees, a value for money. Currently, they're running a 50% off, that is half the price, and if you use my code that is mentioned in the description, you get additional discount. Get your hands on this amazing toothbrush. Make Mako Toothsy Electro i5 brush your friend and get a superior brushing experience every day. Link is in my description, so go check it out. Thank you for watching. Bye.